And welcome to Lesson 2, Part 1.5, graphing our linear equation, intercept, slope, horizontal, vertical lines, parallel and perpendicular lines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph everything we did in the first video on GeoGebra. So that means we need to head over to GeoGebra. And here we are, and here's one of the examples we did in the first part of the video. We graph by input-output table, y equals negative 3x plus 1, and then these are all the points that we got. So I have this up here now without the grid so you can kind of see it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to graph it now using GeoGebra. Now, what I just did was I turned the grid on. If you right-click anywhere on the graph, you have these options. And I like having the grid because it tells me exactly where each point is. So I'm going to graph all 5 of these points. So we're going to go up here to the point tool and go to -2 up to 7. And it looks like I need to move my graphics a little bit. There we go. So -2, 7, put a point, -1, 4, 0, 1, 1, -2, and then finally I'm going to go to 2, 5. Open. It just messed up a little bit on me. Oops. 2, 5 is right here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the line tool. Click that. I'm going to need to back out a little bit so I can see all my points. I'm going to click the last point and the first point and connect them with the line. And this is our line. Now what you would do now is if you wanted to take a picture of this, what you would do is you would go up to your Snagit or your awesome screenshot, whichever one you use. You would click on your region, you would drag and capture, and you would take your picture. Okay, so now I'm going to do another example. Zoom back in a little bit. All right. Now here is the second example that we did with intercepts. And here's just everything with the intercepts that we found out. So we found out that this linear equation has intercepts at 6, 0, and 0, 4. So we're just going to plot those. So we go over to 6, 0, put a dot. Go to 0, 4, put a dot. And then we click our line tool again and connect the 2 dots. All right. One more. The horizontal and vertical lines. We have x equals 3 and y equals -2. So what we're going to do for those is different. What we are going to do, if you see a horizontal or vertical line, you're going to go ahead and click the line tool right away. You're going to go to where you're supposed to. So we'll go to x equals 3. We're going to click, and then we move and we see a line's created. So what we do then is we just click one up or one down from that and create our vertical line. For y equals -2, we go down to the -2, we click, and then we choose one to the right or to the left and click there. And there we go.